Most people do not fail because they are afraid. They fail because they conform. They follow the crowd without asking why. Earl Nightingale said, "The opposite of courage is not cowardice. It is conformity. You were never meant to blend in. You were meant to choose your direction." Conformity kills dreams quietly. So quietly, you do not hear it. You do not need approval. You need vision. You need courage. The ones who make it, they step off the path. They make their own. Do not conform. Lead. Create. Think. That is courage. Credits. Quote by Earl Nightingale. Script adaptation by Unleash the Power Within.